Hey, so I'm gonna do a class today on how to create a master key system and just everything that goes with starting one and finishing it off. So the first thing that you need to do is to determine how many locks that need master keyed and the different levels of master keying that are needed. So for this example, we're gonna use ABC High School, and we're just for the sake of to make this easier to understand, we're going to make the master key a 222222. And so we have four different groups here. We have A, B, C, and D, and a 6-pin master key system. We want to make everything be two apart from each other. Um, so that way you can't turn the keys over. So if you had like a 22222 and then a 22223, then you could just turn the key hard and get it to turn over. So we have to make everything intervals of 2. So on a 6-pin master key system with intervals of 2 between each key, then that makes it to where there's 4096 different key combinations. And um, so if you go over here with our master key being 222222, then our very first cut in our system is going to be 444444 because we added 2 to each of those numbers. And as you can see here, we go 44444, and then 46, 48, 40, and then we skip the 2 because that's the master key cut. We can't have the master key cuts in the cuts that are being used. Um, the only person that can have the master key cut is somebody is like the owner of the building or someone who has that permission. So when you have a 2 in your master key cut, you can use a 4, 6, 8, or 0. But once we've used these numbers here, now we do 4, 4, 4. It's 6, 4, 8, 0. And you can see we got a group of 4s here, got a group of 6s. The next 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 4, 6, 8, 0. And these are doing the same thing. This is a 2 right here, so we got 4, 6, 8, 0. And then 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4. And we're just exhausting all these different options here. So if we were going to do a system that only had 16 numbers, then this would be your master key cut here. 4, 4, 4, 4, and then 2, 2. These two 2s at the end, since that's the master key cut, those 2s will work any one of these numbers here from 1 all the way down to 16. So we have, because all of these numbers are alike. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, as you can see, all the way down to 16, those are all the same. So the only thing that's alternating are these last 2 barrels here. And so if we have 2, 2 in the cut, which is the master key cut, then a 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2 will work any lock in this group of 16 locks here. And so the way that works with the math over here is when we're putting our pins in, because the master key cut is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, then that means that the bottom pin for all those has to be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then since these cuts here are 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, then we're just putting the difference between those 2 pins. So if the bottom pin is a 2 and the operating key is a 4, then the difference between 4 and 2 is 2. So you put in these master pins. For this cut right here, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, we come down to the 6 here. The bottom pin would be a 2, the master would be a 4. For this cut, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, you can see 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8. The bottom pin is a 2. The difference between the bottom pin and 8 is a 6, so you have your 6 master pin. Over here, you got your 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0. So you look at the 0 here. The lower of the 2 pins would be a 0. The difference between 0 and 2 is 2. And so our next group from 17 down to 32 is 4444644. This one up here is 4444444. So the only thing that changed was this third one here. And then once again, we're alternating 4680, 4680. And when this goes 4680, and those are all fours there, then we switch to 6, 4680, 8, 4680, 0, 4680. Once we've exhausted all these options, we hit 32, and now this switches to an 8. And so up here in our legend, 4446, you put your 2 bottom pin and your 4 top. So this is just a legend here that shows you the pin breakdown. So let's get out of here. So up here, 444622, because all these numbers here are 4446, 4446. We throw in the 22 at the end, which is these master key cuts. And then now this cut, 444622, will work every key from 17 down to 32. And if we come down here further, 32, 33, it's 444844, and once again, 4680 under the 4s, 4680 under the 6s, 4680. Go up now. 80 and then 4680 under the zeros. That gives us to from 33 to 48. And then once again, our master key that would work for that group of 16 numbers would be 4448, because that's what's similar for all of these. Then you throw in the 22 at the end. And so then we got 4440. Once again, 4680 under the 4s, 4680 under the 6s, 4680 under the 8s, and then 4680 under the zeros. And our master key cut that would work this group of 16 here would be a 4440, because that's the same for all of these. And then 22, because that's the master key cuts. So now we'll go back up to the top up here. These are our groups of different master key cuts for these different groups. So for this example, let's say this is a high school, and this is building A. But then in building A, there are 4 floors. So we're going to do A1, or no, we'll do AA, AB, AC, AD. So if we go back over here, this is building A. We have our first floor, which is AA, 1 through 16, AB, 1 through 16, AC, 1 through 16, and AD. And you can see the different master key levels here. So this A cut right here, it's a 64 it's a 64 submaster. So 444, which is what the first 3 cuts of this entire group of 64 have in common, 444, and then 222, which is the master key cuts. So this key right here, 444, 222, will work this entire group of 64. These ones over here only work groups of 16. So for every barrel that you put the master key cut in, it will work a bigger and bigger group of numbers. And that's all based upon how many barrels you put that master key in. So we'll finish this lesson today. And if you have any questions, give me a call.